Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install your new AQ1041C filters into the housing.
With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the back panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.